if that ma'am watched this video, so sorry for that, but don't take it as a negative. But when I was beginner, so I used to do competition with English with the Hati ma'am. Like she used to upload video every day. I used to watch every day. First, I used to watch her video, and I used to do competition with her video. Miss, yeah, like
Thank
myself
you.
too.
Yeah, yeah, of course.
Okay, so well, this is me, Dupam, and I'm connecting to you from Bihar. And right now, I'm a student of the class 8. And in my future, I want to become a doctor. And along with this, I have been running my YouTube channel for 4 months ago. Yeah, this is something about myself. Hope it was enough.
Yeah, of course. It's a very good. So I also belong to Bihar, and you also belong to Bihar. Wow, that's a great. The
Yeah,
both
but
of
I want to
are.
tell you one thing. I have faced one problem recently. Today I went
Mhm.
to a school and I came back from a school at 2 o'clock. So one man means like he was from government and he was sent to our school to take to check all the facilities and there are more than 45,000 school that are running without registration. So government is going to close these all schools. So have you gotten this information as you are a
No,
private teacher? Because like
actually, it.
my school like government employee, he came and he was looking all the thing and he was scolding the teacher as well. So that is why I'm asking, because you have mentioned that you are a government like private teacher. So are you facing this problem or not?
No, 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 no.
Is this
Actually,
problem?
I'm a private teacher. I'm a private teacher, so these kinds of issues I'm not having in my school. It's a issues of a government school, not a private. Okay. So yeah, everything is normal at my school nowadays. Okay.
So from which district are you in Bihar? May I know?
Mm-hmm. Of course. Do you know about Samastipur district?
Which district?
Samastipur.
Yeah. I know Samastipur.
Yeah. So I'm living there. I mean, I'm living around, nearby these districts. I just locate all of them, so usually the people can understand my exact locations, by knowing districts of Samastipur. Yeah.
So which subject do you teach?
Obviously, Alia, I am teaching a English subject because of I'm a teacher in English uh, medium school, so I teach English subject.
Okay, wonderful. So nice. So do you use English language while teaching, while eligimating your students?
Yeah, many of time I try to just explaining all these things in English language, but many of them were not able to having the meaning of mine in this accent. So I often, took the help of my native language to convince all of them in good manner.
Okay. Yeah, because we are from village and we have totally aware about the condition of English in our Bihar state means like a teacher. Like it does not matter whether teacher. Like here like teacher a student both are not focusing on English, and in private school a teacher focus on only subject. They don't try to talk with a student and they don't try to teach them how to speak. They only teach like how to write, how to read, how to understand, only this. So that is why I was
Yeah.
asking this question to you.
Yeah, you're right. Actually, reasons behind it. Why the teacher are not preferring self to teach, languages directly to a student. Because in at the Bihar state or in another place also, students are not eligible for having even understanding in proper way these kinds of accent because they learn, they have though they bend through their native language since their childhood, right? So, and if the teacher would have taken a responsibility to teach this accent, this language to any student. So they have to, they have to take so many responsibility, right? Teaching syllabus as well as languages. It would be much pressure, over the soldier. So no anyone teacher want to take so many responsibility nowadays. That's
Yeah,
why no
yeah.
one
I teachers
focusing.
are escaping their self, and in my school it happens. Means like they always struggle with each other. Like you will teach only one subject, and why will I teach two subject? And you will come at this o'clock. Why will I come at this o'clock? Like this happens. I have seen this thing in my school as well. So like if a teacher do like this, so our study and our life means a student life will malfunction, and their education will become nasty. I think so, because teachers should do competition. Means like when I was in class 5, so we used to do competition with each other, and teacher used to do competition with each other. Please quickly leave my school, I have to teach them. And like we used to treat with teacher very well, and we had enthusiasm to study, and we used to do competition in each and every subject. So our class was the best at that time. And we like a student and teacher, like we all had competition in each other, and at that time I was enjoying a lot, and I cannot forget that juncture, never, and I can't forget that. Because like right now I am in a class, but like we do competition but not that much, but at that time we used to do competition a lot.
Yeah, by doing a competition with other, we are going to gradually know about self ability. How better you are in what field, you are going to know about yourself much more. Okay, so competition, it's a merely way of recognizing your unique abilities, your specific quality of your, right? So it must a requirement part of the all the students' life. Okay, taking challenges, and preparing, learning something new, indulging self in a various kinds of situations by availing a various kinds of knowledge. It is a requirement of the development of your growth, right? So
Yeah.
you are doing
And
well.
like if we do anything with competition, so I think we become so mighty and so serious. I want to give you one example. Was not doing, physically competition, but like I was doing competition in a positive way, not in a negative way. I was thinking, see, it is like improving a lot, and in her comments, she was getting comment that, oh my God, you are improving your English in a very accelerate way. As you are from village, you are homemaker, you have a lot of responsibility, you work in your farm as well, so how do you do like this? So I used to get more motivation when I used to read this type of comment on her YouTube channel. So what I used to do, I used to put much effort a lot is while washing laundry, while cooking, while helping my mother in chores, while doing a study. I used to talk in English, only in English. And like this, I improved my English, and I was also improving my English in an accelerate way. And I used to not a stone, means so many English learner. They tell me that like during the journey they feel tedious because it is quite a marathon journey. But I haven't faced this problem, and I don't face this problem because I do this with competition.
Mm, yeah, of course. I can see, you have gotten so much improvement in your spoken, and I have ever noticed over your speaking way. Often you are trying to use a various kinds of vocabulary in your sentence to express yourself in good manner, situationally. So it would be really much beneficial for you as well, because especially in this time, the learner has been facing so many problems. They are unable to recalling vocabulary in situations. They forget all these things whatever they have learned before. Okay, and so many problems they have, hesitation, fumbleness. But these are issues I didn't get inside of you whenever you talk to any person. Yeah, still you are talking to me. I'm not having these are issues in you. Really. So it's a totally remarkable confidence you have.
Yeah, thank you a lot for like praising me and my English. And it was really nice conversation with you. And thank you so much for sharing your precious time. And I have learned so many good things. And it was really delicate conversation with you. Have a nice day.
Yes.